Enlightenment campaign on herders on the importance of voter education. The Miyetti Allah Kautal Hore Fulani Association made the call in a communique at the end of its national executive meeting with chairman and top officials of the association in Abuja. Correspondent Omar Hussein Zamzam filed in this report to be presented by Muhammad Ibrahim Bungus.
The communique, which was presented by the association president, Bello Bodejo, called for the immediate designation, gazetting, and development of all the 415 grazing reserves nationwide, in addition to the provision of art dams, solar boreholes, building of veterinary centers, as well as the development of dairy milk collection centers. Participants at the meeting also condemned the continuous profiling of Fulani personalities by the Benue State Governor Samuel Oton by his anti-grazing law, which confiscated millions of cattle belonging to the Fulanis in his state.